A huge explosion just happened at Vallejo. It just shook my whole truck.
Yeah, we...
445, show me out at red.
Yeah, we just heard it.
310, show me checking the port. Magnolia Y.
Dispatch from N2, 341. It's near gate 19. Received multiple calls. They had an explosion at Vallejo. I received at Vallejo.
402 is right before the tracks.
11 on primary.
I thought somebody hit my truck.
310, and basketball. Court is clear.
11. Received.
46. Engine 3, dispatch. Go ahead, sir. I'm working action job at case. So it appears there's some type of large explosion just happened on 73. So a loud plume of smoke, large enough to shake my truck.
46.
10-4.
432.
Something exploded and we see dark clouds of black smoke.